This is my recipe for a 24 hours fermented dough with an assumed room temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and 77 degrees Fahrenheit. These are the ingredients. 1 kilo flour or 1000 grams, which is the equivalent of 35.27 ounces. Later in the class, we'll discover the difference between a strong and a weak flour, which depends on the quantity of proteins contained in 100 grams. But for now, remember that you might need 70% of a strong flour and 30% of a very strong flour. The dough has a 67% hydration, which means 670 grams of water, or 23.63 ounces. The water temperature has to be 25-26 degrees, no more, no less. Then 34 grams of salt, which is the equivalent of 1.19 ounce. Then 14 grams of oil, which is the equivalent of 0.49 ounce. In terms of kind of oil, you might use extra virgin olive oil, soya oil, or sunflower oil. Then 14 grams of sugar. And please note that oil and sugar have the same quantity, 14 grams or 0.49 ounce. Sugar and oil are very important to make sure that pizza will have the brownish color.